American mahogany. Mahogany wood facts that showcase its exceptional versatility. Historical background. Mahogany wood holds a rich historical background dating back to the 16th century, when Spanish explorers first encountered it in the Americas. Its origins can be traced to the tropical regions of the Americas, particularly Central and South America, as well as parts of the Caribbean. Mahogany quickly gained popularity due to its exceptional qualities, including its durability, attractive reddish-brown color, and ease of workability. It became highly sought after for furniture making, shipbuilding, and decorative woodwork. During the colonial era, mahogany played a significant role in trade and commerce, with European powers exploiting the natural resources of the Americas, including mahogany forests to fuel their burgeoning economies. This led to extensive deforestation and exploitation of indigenous populations in some regions. By the 18th century, mahogany wood had become synonymous with luxury and prestige, adorning the palaces and estates of the wealthy elite across Europe and America. Its popularity continued to soar into the 19th and 20th centuries, despite concerns about deforestation and sustainability. Mahogany wood, with its deep, rich tones and unmatched durability, has long been a symbol of quality and luxury in the world of fine woodworking. Its use spans a myriad of applications, from exquisite furniture pieces to robust shipbuilding. This section delves into the comprehensive characteristics of mahogany, offering insight into why it remains a preferred choice among craftsmen and designers alike. American mahogany, scientifically known as Swietenia macrophylla and S. mahogany, is a beautiful and versatile timber. It can vary considerably in color, ranging from yellowish, reddish, pinky or salmon pink when freshly cut, to a deep, rich red or brown with age. The grain can be straight, striped, curly or wavy, and irregularities in the grain can produce attractive figures such as mottle, stripe or row, blister and fiddleback. The texture is fine to medium to coarse and uniform, and white deposits or dark gum may be visible in the pores. American mahogany is also highly glossy and golden in color, making it a great choice for cabinet making, furniture, turnery and more. Color, grain and texture. Mahogany is renowned for its rich reddish-brown hue that matures into a deeper, more refined color over time. Its grain is typically straight, though it can display figures like waves or curls that enhance its beauty. The fine texture of mahogany wood allows for an exceptionally smooth and lustrous finish, making it a favorite for high-end furniture and detailed cabinetry. American mahogany has very low stiffness and resistance to shock loads and medium crushing strength. Although it has a low bending strength, its steam bends tolerably well. It works easily with both hand and machine tools. Mahogany screws, nails, glues and stains well, and an excellent polish finish can be achieved. Typically very easy to work with both hand and machine tools, with the exception to sections with figured or irregular grain, which can tear out or chip during machining. Slight dulling of cutters can occur, sands very easily, turns, glues, stains and finishes well. Despite export restrictions, Honduran mahogany continues to be available in lumber or veneer form, ideally from plantations, though because of CITES restrictions, most US-based retailers are unable to ship the wood internationally. Prices are in the mid-range for an imported hardwood, though the wood tends to be more expensive than African mahogany kaya species. Figured or quarter-sawn lumber is also more expensive. Mahogany's exceptional beauty and durability make it a favored material for a wide range of projects. Its applications span from intricate furniture and cabinetry to robust architectural elements and boat building. The wood's workability, coupled with its aesthetic appeal, allows for creativity and functionality in designs. Woodworking, furniture making. Mahogany wood is extensively used in the manufacture of fine furniture due to its durability, workability, and beautiful grain patterns. Its rich color and texture make it a favorite for crafting tables, chairs, cabinets, and other high-end furniture pieces. Cabinetry and joinery. The wood's stability and ease of working make it ideal for detailed cabinetry work, including kitchen cabinets, bookcases, and wardrobes. Its resistance to warping and shrinking contributes to the longevity and quality of the final product. Musical instruments. Mahogany's tonal qualities make it a popular choice for musical instruments, particularly guitars and pianos. It is used for both the body and the neck of guitars, offering a warm, rich sound that is highly sought after by musicians. Decorative items and carvings. The wood's fine grain and workability make it suitable for intricate carvings and decorative items, including sculptures, ornamental panels, and moldings. Its aesthetic appeal enhances the visual impact of these creations. Boat building. Historically, mahogany wood has been used in boat building due to its resistance to rot and decay when properly treated. It is especially favored for constructing the hulls and decks of boats and yachts. Construction flooring. Mahogany wood flooring is prized for its durability, color, and distinctive grain. It adds warmth and elegance to interiors, making it a popular choice for residential and commercial spaces. The strength and beauty of mahogany wood make it an excellent material for doors and window frames, offering not just aesthetic appeal, but also long-lasting performance and resistance to the elements. Mahogany is often used for architectural details, including moldings, trims, and railings. Its ability to be easily shaped and finished to a high polish allows for the creation of stunning architectural features. Treated mahogany is used for outdoor decking and patio furniture due to its natural beauty and resistance to weather, pests, and decay. Its durability makes it suitable for outdoor environments, where it can last for many years with proper maintenance. Although less common than its aesthetic applications, mahogany wood can be used in structural elements where its strength and stability are required, though this is more typical in historical or specialty construction due to the cost and availability of the wood.